Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we are going to do a test shot on a Vibiemme. This machine came in, it was over pressurizing, it had a leak in the steam valve. We rebuilt the valve, installed a new pump with a new upgraded check valve. We also put a new pressure stat in there. And it's nice. Good temp. And when this comes up, you'll see we've got the pump right at 10 or 9 bars. Got some fresh coffee in here, so huge. Oh, here it goes. Sorry. Once again, that's really fresh coffee. It's a little tight tamp, but look at that crema coming out really, really nice. Got a good flow. Oh yeah. Let's cut it back just a little short, but just see how wonderful that is. Check the steam. I'm going to give it a quick little purge. You can see nice strong steam. Let's check the water. There we go. It's going to ask for water again once we take a little more out of the tank. There we go. Anyway, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.